Now, this is the syllabus of first unit DC circuit. You already have that syllabus in your notebook. Okay. If you see that the syllabus of a unit number 1, you will observe that there are total 3 subunits are there. If you read that the first subunit, which is very common and you already learn in the 11th and 12th standards, Ohm's law, resistance, specific resistance, energy sources, concept of open circuit and short circuit. The second subunit is Kirchhoff's voltage law and current law and its application for circuit solutions. And the third subunit is simplification of circuits using series parallel combination, star delta and delta star conversion. So these are the 3 points under this first subunit is there. Let's try to discuss about it. Before going to start this first unit DC circuit, may I know that what you know about the circuit? Anyone, please? Or what you know about the DC? May I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody give me the definition of a DC? Because this is not a new terms to you. Whatever it may be, don't worry about that the wrong thing. If you do the mistake, definitely I am here to correct you. I think one student, at least one student, can share something about the DC. What you know about the DC or the circuit, please try to put it in front of we all. Okay.
Sir, circuit म्हणजे framework of keys, wires and electrical elements.
Absolutely correct. Let me appreciate you for your the valuable ideas or thoughts. Definitely, I appreciate who will share that information during that the session is there. Anybody want to say something about it? Definitely, I always give the time to you to share something because it's my duty to give the time to explore to the students.
Sir, DC circuit is a circuit in which direct current flows.
Absolutely correct. Very good try. The DC circuit is nothing but the direct current flowing through the circuit. We call it a DC circuit. Very good. Anybody else?
DC current is direction in one.
Absolutely correct. The DC current means the current which has only one direction. Anybody else? Now I am happy little bit because you are taking that initiative in the discussion. Yes, please.
Circuit in which current flows in only one direction is called as DC circuit.
Okay, very good. Anybody else?
Resistors are connected end-to-end path.
Okay, very good. Now see that all points are come up within yourself. Yes, please.
लो व्होल्टेज ऍप्लिकेशन वाले जे डिव्हाइसेस असतात तिथे डीसी सर्किट यूज केलं जातं.
I want to clear this thing. This is not I will definitely clear your concept, but right now I really appreciate your idea. You are taking that initiative to share something. Okay, no problem, but I will definitely try to correct you. Anybody else?
Direct current flow through the
Circuit?
Flow through a conductor. Direct current flow through a conductor as wire.
Okay. Let me clear that the one thing first. Before going to start that DC circuit point, So this DC stands for direct current. I want the definition of direct current. Now let me try to put that the definition in front of you. Please see that and listen very carefully. The current which has constant magnitude in one direction with respect to time is called as direct current. This is the definition. बघा आता ह्याच्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये नेमकं काय काय येतंय. The current which has a constant magnitude with respect to time. म्हणजे जर याचा जर ग्राफ काढायचा झाला तर तुम्हाला एक ग्राफ हा with respect to टाइमलाईन हा एक स्ट्रेट लाईन दिसेल. तो कुठेही म्हणजे इन्क्रीज होताना किंवा डिक्रीज होताना दिसणार नाही. इट्स कम्प्लीट अ हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइमलाईन. इट मीन्स दॅट इट हॅज इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट मॅग्निट्यूड. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण म्हणतो की 5 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो होतोय, at any time if you try to measure that current, definitely you will observe that it's a 5 ampere only. म्हणजे पहिल्या मिनिटामध्ये जर तुम्ही करंट मोजला तर तो तुम्हाला कधी 4 एम्पियर दिसणार नाही, किंवा लास्टच्या मिनिटाला जर तुम्ही करंट मेजर केला तर तो तुम्हाला कधी 10 एम्पियर दिसणार नाही. The current which has it's a constant magnitude in a one direction, because direct current is always flow in only one direction. It means that, as you know, that the basic concepts related to the current always starts its journey from positive terminal and end its journey to the negative terminal through external circuit. This is the main basic idea behind that the DC current is there, or any type of current is there. So once again I will repeat that the definition: the current which has a constant magnitude in a one direction with respect to time. कारण करंट आपण हा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम मेजर करतो. मग तो डीसी करंट असेल, तो एसी करंट असेल, that current we call it a DC current is there. And the circuit, now I'm coming to that, the second word, circuit. The circuit is a one closed path. Circuit is a one closed path which contain the number of elements, energy sources in it. This is a closed path. Are you getting my point? Why I say that this is a closed path? Because you know that if there is a no closed path, is the current will flow through that?
No, sir.
No.
What is the mandatory condition to the flow of current in the circuit?
Circuit is closed.
Should be closed.
Absolutely correct. The circuit must be closed. If circuit is closed, then definitely the current can flow through it. मग आता त्या क्लोज पाथ मध्ये काय असू शकतं? भरपूर कंपोनेंट असू शकतात. रेजिस्टर असू शकतो, इंडक्टर असू शकतो, कॅपॅसिटर असू शकतो, एनर्जी सोर्सेस असू शकतात. आर यू क्लिअर माय पॉइंट? That's why we can say that the circuit is a closed path which contains the number of electronics component, different types of electronics component, as well as energy sources. मग त्या एनर्जी सोर्सेस मध्ये सुद्धा डीसी सोर्स असू शकतो, एसी सोर्स असू शकतो. त्याला कुठल्याही एका क्लोज्ड पाथला आपण सर्किट म्हणू शकतो की ज्यामधून करंट फ्लो होऊ शकतो. आता मला तुम्ही या डीसी सर्किटची कंबाईन, मी तुम्हाला डीसी सर्किट म्हणजे एक्सप्लेन केलेला आहे, मी तुम्हाला सर्किट म्हणजे काय एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. जस्ट combine these two things and try to create the definition of a DC circuit. Simple thing is that. So the definition should be like this. A closed path. बघा डेफिनेशन कशी स्टार्ट झालेली आहे. A closed path followed by direct current. असा क्लोज्ड पाथ की ज्याच्यामधून डायरेक्ट करंट फ्लो होतोय is called as a DC circuit. Are you clear my point? The definition is very simple. If you clearly understood the concept of DC and the concept of circuit, the definition is quite simple. Once again, I will repeat: a closed path followed by direct current is called DC circuit. Now, let me just check that. Can you try to prepare the definition for AC circuit? Can anybody try?
A closed path followed by alternating current is called AC circuit.
Absolutely correct. I really appreciate that your sense. Is it right?